Julesy.
Peanut butter. Jules. Peanut butter. Jules.
I'd run 1,000 miles if I could run with you. And from what I have heard, you do the same thing too. I wanna say forever, we could be good together.
Say hi. Say we're all home. Look who else is home.
Yeah.
Daddy's home, right? Mommy had the second day of her all-day training today. So it was another long day. So we are glad that that is done and we'll get back to my normal schedule tomorrow. It was a lot, right? It was a lot.
Need water?
Say hi, Dix. But I think we are gonna have to run out because we have 2 cans of recycling.
Put it in the garage.
Oh, but what are they in?
And bags.
So we don't need to run out. So we're gonna have a night home and relax a little bit, which we all need from getting home so late last night. Literally home at 9 o'clock. He was home like 9:15. It's just a lot. Jules was already tired, but by the time we actually showered and everything, she was overtired.
I think that garbage reeks.
So that wasn't good. So we need a night just to kind of diffuse. It's really cold in Jersey, like holy moly cold.
Whew.
If this is an indication of what winter is going to be like, we are screwed.
Can you go ha 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 ha? Ha 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 ha.
She was home a lot of mom. Weren't you?
Go ha 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 ha.
Splish splash, Jules is in the bath. Hun, move those plates before they're waterlogged.
Julesy. Are you drinking the bath water? Oh. Ha.
That earring is so loose.
We really got to take it off and redo it when she's sleeping. There's no other way around it. Because the other one doesn't come loose at all. Hey, Jules. Hey, Jules. Go. Up, 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 up. No, you don't want to touch yuckies. That's yuckies. Okay, are you ready to get out? Are you ready to get out? Want to get in your pajamas? Oh. So yay, pajamas. Go. Who's so silly? Ha. Go. Julesy.
Peanut butter. Jules. Peanut butter. Jules. Peanut butter. Jules. First you take the peanuts and you crack them. You crack them. You crack them, crack them, crack them. Peanut butter. Jules.
Gotta put diaper on. Then you're gonna get a tickle monster. Come on, Jules. You gotta hold still.
I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her. I'm gonna get her.
Oh. Jules cam. Say Jules cam. Alright guys, so baby girl is asleep. She fell asleep down here, but of course when I walked upstairs she woke up. So I laid down with her for a little bit until she passed out again. So It's here.
We got Dixie next to me. She's been kind of annoying, not gonna lie.
Very.
She's just like, I think when Jules isn't around, she's like, oh, it's my turn for attention. So, like, she'll come on the couch and she'll circle like 5 times before she lays down. If I'm doing stuff like I was working on the baby's invites, her tail's hitting the invites, like just silly stuff, but it was kind of just like, come on, Dix, lay down.
She definitely wants the attention. And we give her attention. Not like we don't. We definitely do.
I think the main thing is, like, she was used to being home with me and the baby, and I've been back to work now for almost 2 months, and I think, like, being home alone all day is just kind of like, she's over it. But she doesn't have a choice.
On another note, Jules is officially 11 months old now. Crazy. We will do 11th month update once we get the information to Melanie to work on our board again. And then we gotta, weigh her, measure her, and then get all that done and actually try to find a day when we're free to do it.
Excuse me, maybe Friday?
Maybe Friday. But yeah, 11 months old. It's crazy. It went by so fast. I was talking to someone during the Halloween party, and I was like, yeah, it just feels like it was just a couple of months ago when we had our last Halloween party. And Jen was still pregnant. And then here's Jules.
Rocking out at the Halloween party, loving life,
yeah,
dancing.
Dancing with everyone, having a good time, partying. It's just crazy. Like everyone says, oh, it goes by so quick. You're like, yeah, sure. But it really does. It's insane.
I'm tired.
Yeah, it's weird. It's 11 o'clock. The vlog's done and uploaded and posted. There we go. Usually I'm like just starting to upload it now.
Well, let's face it. We were both home today. I was actually home for like 15 minutes before I even got out of the car. The baby was sleeping and I figured I would let her sleep. I knew once I opened my door, she would wake up. But being home at 5:20 versus yesterday being home at 9:10 for you, there's a big difference. We have to kind of make more of a ritual about when we are home to get stuff done so that she isn't getting to that overtired point like she was yesterday.
It's just tough because it's rare when we actually are home.
It's not that rare.
Well, let's talk about this week.
Well, this week we just have a lot going on.
But I'm saying there are weeks where nothing just us. Everyone deals with this. That you're out 3 or 4 nights during the week, or even 2 nights, and it just throws everything off. So you know the deal. Let's give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below.
Sure, smile.
Or in the words of Kyle, smile more. All right, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Good night.
I love you. I give you everything you want me to. Think about it if I could. I'd burn down the moon.